Designed for vlogging, live streaming and near limitless expansion. Media Mod transforms HERO11 Black, HERO10 Black and HERO9 Black into a production powerhouse. It features a built-in directional mic for enhanced voice capture, 3.5mm mic port, micro HDMI-out for playback on external monitors, plus 2 cold shoe mounts for lights, LCD screens, or additional mics. Built tough and weather-resistant, even the wind is no match for this mod. The removable foam mic cover suppresses wind gust up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. USB-C input for charging or external power like the Volta. 2 cold shoe mounts to attach your favorite lights, mics or LCD screens. 3.5mm mic port lets you add an external mic for enhanced audio. Micro HDMI out port to monitor or play back your footage. Unique and compact wraparound design adds portable expandability and ensures mounting remains easy. Designed for use with GoPro Light mod and display mod, plus third-party accessories.